It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMNP. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation helps make mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, from where the price closed today relative to where it was, during its low portions, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a nice little bounce movement. Again, from where the price was to where it ultimately closed, there were some signs of strength there. But that does lead to the very valid and rational question that, sure, it bounced, no doubt about that, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right down here at $1.30. Why is $1.30 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, well, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.30. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this channel that it has just broken out of, and more recently, down around this area of the chart where it was essentially the lows of the day. Going back, just not what you want to see. Whereas let's say something like this happens, price pulls back a little bit more and then does something like that. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress as $1.30. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not going to talk about those because in my opinion, at least, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just building higher bases and going through some healthy consolidations, because as long as the price starts building higher lows over time, the overall chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.